Fix a supply error for the HP LaserJet M109 through M112 and M207 through M212 printer series. If your printer fails to print and displays a blinking attention light on the control panel, or there is a solid amber light on the bar and the cartridge light is blinking, HP recommends updating the printer firmware. Follow these steps to learn how for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connected printers, as well as USB connected printers. Update the firmware for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connected printers. To update the firmware for a network connected printer, you can do so by using the HP Smart App. On your computer or mobile device, open the HP Smart App. If you do not have the app, you can download it for free from your App Store or by going to 123.hp.com. From the app home screen, double-click or tap the printer image to open printer settings. Select Advanced Settings. The printer embedded web server opens. You can also access this site by using the printer IP address. To do this, in the HP Smart Printer Settings menu, select Network Information. The printer IP address is displayed. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and enter the printer IP address to access advanced printer settings. If you encounter a warning message, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the printer settings site will not harm your computer. From the main page, select System. If prompted for a username and password, enter admin for the username and the printer pin for the password. The printer pin can be located on a label inside the printer cartridge access area. On the left, select Administration, and then select Check Now to check for the latest firmware. Do not power off the printer during the firmware update. It may take a few minutes depending on the network speed. If the printer control panel no longer displays the supply error, the issue is resolved. If the control panel still shows a supply error, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact. Update the firmware for USB connected printers. Power on the printer. And make sure the USB cord is connected to both the printer and to your computer. On your computer, go to support.hp.com/drivers. Enter your printer serial number in the search field and select the search button. If you do not have the printer serial number, select Printer. Enter your printer model in the search field and select the search button. On the printer page, scroll down and expand the firmware option. Locate the most recent firmware release and select the Download option. The Firmware Update utility file downloads. Open the file and follow the prompts to install the new firmware. After the firmware has been installed, if the printer control panel no longer displays the supply error, the issue is resolved. If the control panel still shows a supply error, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.